With today's complex global supply chain, a single food safety breach can affect millions of consumers worldwide. The nVent Hoffman enclosure portfolio of sanitary solutions offers 3 levels of protection, specially engineered to help food and beverage manufacturers more easily preserve the integrity of sanitary conditions to serve the spectrum of sanitary needs. Engineered for ultimate protection, the entire nVent Hoffman high-shed enclosure portfolio is tested and certified to the highest ingress protection available against water and particulates with IEC IP69 ratings. This means component failure and unnecessary downtime are avoided as water and dust are prevented from entering the enclosure, including when cleaning with high pressure and temperature water. In addition, by minimizing hygiene risks, thanks to self-draining, smooth finish surfaces and a gap-free design, the high-shed enclosure range helps reduce maintenance-related costs and delays. To meet the climate control needs of food and beverage applications, the nVent Hoffman Extreme Environments line of air conditioners can maintain optimal cooling performance over extended periods and also offers the highest ingress protection available against water and particulates with IEC IP66, IP69, and IP69K ratings. The industry-leading solutions are washdown ready with no need for additional protection. In addition to the Extreme portfolio, nVent offers a comprehensive range of nVent Hoffman cooling solutions to meet the needs of virtually any environment.